Alright. The mystery continues about this place. Artica, the North Pole. And as you can see, my map has the ice on it. Now, the strange thing about this, a lot of the maps don't have the ice shown like that one. As you can see, it is my map. You know, the polar regions. You know, North Pole right here. Just showing you it's my map. So, the question is, why doesn't a lot of maps show the ice on here? Where this little old book has got the ice. I'll show you up the other one. This one here is a 1962 World Atlas, of course. I bought this recently. Hell, it's a big one, I can tell you. And there you go. Artica has no ice on this one, which is a bit peculiar. Which is a much earlier map, isn't it? 1962. So, why is it this particular version of the map is much more harder to find these days? The only version I've come across so far with the ice intact is the Weetabix World Atlas 1989, which is one I've got right here beside me. And this has to be my second Mandela effect from last year. I mean, I find it strange how it happened. I mean, I'm pretty sure I was googling it on Google Earth with all the ice and everything else, and all of a sudden disappeared. And it's just really weird that it just turned up missing, you know, and yet here's all the ice here on this 1989 World Atlas. Now, Svalbard, Greenland, Iceland, New York, I can't even pronounce that word, but there's one little country that's missing from this map. Now it's on the 1962 map, which is next to Svalbard. You know, that little country there, you know, which is not labelled for some reason. But I'm just wondering why the mystery. You know, I know the ice is just water, frozen, and all that stuff, and it can't be bothered to map the ice. But if you go to Google Earth, you can see traces of ice at the North Pole. You know what I mean? Which is strange, with bits of land, you know, dotted around all over the place. But this is what I remember from when I was growing up: the ice and everything else. You know, the magnetic north. You know, being in, but the magnetic north wasn't here when I was a kid. No, it was down here. There's geographic North Pole, and it was down here somewhere where the magnetic north was. Somehow it's shifted, and now, according to the latest news, it's shifted over here to Siberia somewhere. You know, and that's the way my compass is pointing right now, actually towards Siberia, not towards the top end of Canada. You know, which is really strange. I think the Earth is probably quite possibly tilted and that's why we're having all this crazy weather as well on top of that. Well, like I said, this is what I remember about the North Pole, with all the ice on the, on the on the top of the world, you know. But I see a lot of videos just recently being published, and a lot of exhibitions are going to the Artica North Pole with all the ice shown. Now, that is a bit of a strange one. Huh. I mean, I would love to go myself just to see what's up there. You know what I mean? But hey, poor lonely me, I'll never get there. But like I said, this I don't remember this being called this Arctica North Pole, or is it the Lake North Pole? Is it now known as? Because it's just water nowadays. Well, that's what I've been led to believe. It's just ice, isn't it? Yeah, like I said, Siberia. No, this is where the new magnetic north is, somewhere around here. No, and to me, I'm here. You know, I mean, I'm somewhere around here, and where my compass is pointing is that way. You know, to just that direction. Now, yes, I do know how to read a compass. You know, I was in the cadets, stuff like that. You know, so I do know how to read one. And technically, it should be pointing here, this direction. So it should be there to the left, not pointing to the right. And that's really bizarre. I've checked the area. There's no magnetic interference in the area. Apart from I get spikes now and again, but I think that's just normal. But like I said, here's the North Pole Arctica in all its old glory. But like I said, this is just one of them strange ones, isn't it? I mean, well, all of a sudden you can't view the North Pole even though you type it in. It just comes up blank on the maps, isn't it? Which is quite bizarre. And yet here it is. Yeah, map of the Arctica North Pole, which is from my old book, as you can see. So you can see it's mine, you know. But like I said, this book's probably quite valuable resource now, with it being quite possibly the only version of the North Pole that's got ice in it, you know. But like I said, I bet within a bet how many of you guys have got maps with the North Pole in it with the ice. Yeah, I know. It's strange, isn't it? How come my map book is only got ones that got the ice in it? You know. Oh well, this is Max signing off. Have a good one.